Hey YouTube. So I made a very random decision to decide to do my hair blonde. I have nothing going on and I don't care. I was trying to wait to pull the blonde out when I'm doing something bad. I have nothing going on. I have no friends in Nashville. It's nothing coming up. Well, Memorial Day is coming up. But only thing I don't want to do right now is I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
I got my edges back. I got my edges back, y'all. I really don't want to put a wig on top of my edges right now because I literally just grew them back. So I'm about to do my hair and I don't care what y'all have to say about it. This is my hair, y'all, fully blow dried and crazy. But I'm about to give myself 12 braids. So I'm about to give myself 6 on this side and 6 on this side. I'm not gonna show you me braiding my hair because self-explanatory, and I have nails right now, so it's not gonna be the best breakdown ever. I've been braiding my hair forever now, but it's flat though. It's real flat, like. I'm using these. It says wig cap liner, but on Amazon it's supposed to be a HD wig cap. But when I used it on my sister earlier, it just gave regular wig cap. So like it's not giving HD. Cut the holes in the ears. So I did try to tone the knots on this, y'all, but as you can see, I like overdid it, like a lot. But I'm still gonna make it work. And what about it?
Apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up.
So as you can see right here, I'm peeling my wig cap back while I'm cutting it. It just gets a really close cut. And then I'm sticking my scissors up in there to like carve out my wig cap while I'm cutting it. It just helps get like really precise to the hairline.
Looking like that in city parking lot. It talks when I walk by, like you know it's open when you drop. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wop. Y'all niggas not popping. Fuck it, and she going shopping. Well, I'm running out of ops. Yeah, I'm running out of ops.
That's good. So I'm gonna take the 2 ends in the back and I'm gonna tie it in a knot. And then I'm gonna cut the excess off. That way that you don't have to sew your wig cap down because it's gonna stay secure because you put it in a knot in it. So I'm using the same color I was trying to put on the inside of my wig, and I'm putting that on my wig cap now.
Yeah, on Benedict with the top down. Shorties out here getting knocked down. City coming off a lockdown. Rap niggas doing weak features for a pop artist cause they pop down. Used to wanna throw the rock up.
So right here, I'm making sure that my wig fits really snug. So I am parting out around my ear, and I'm gonna cut out the ear tabs.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world?
So sometimes the hairlines come really made, so I'm parting out the front area right here to match my hairline, and then I'm just gonna pull out this front area and then I'm gonna pluck it so it can be natural looking.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die.
So while I'm cutting my lace, I do it the same way I was cutting my cap off. So I'll be peeling it back while I'm cutting it off. But as you can see, if it's any parts like this where it's still hair right there, but it didn't get glued down, I'll just go back in and put glue on there. So right here, you can really tell that I overtone my knots like bad. But the way I use to fix this is some white concealer, and then I use the white pencil to go over that concealer. But don't play with me. This is before the milk. Okay? Hello?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow on my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you're doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time.
Hair from MegaLook Hair. It is a 13x4, 180% density. It's a 30-inch wig. So this is not sponsored or anything. I bought it with my own money. But I did when I cause I seen some people when they bought this wig that the inside of their wig was not a full 13x4. So I would just recommend when you leave a note on the wig and put on there like specifically like please make sure it's a full 13x4 frontal. That's what I did. So you gotta make sure you do that, because if not, they probably gonna send you what they send everybody else. But all right, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and now I have Twitter. I am Kelly B. And yeah, subscribe.